The team has the tools, they have the skills, but somehow, nothing moves. What if the biggest blocker isn't the team, but the leader? Support turns into surveillance. Every update request slows the flow. Decisions get delayed. Not because the team can't act, but because they've learned to wait for approval. When one person holds all the approvals, speed disappears. Morale dips, ownership fades, and soon, the team loses its rhythm. Micromanagement doesn't come from bad intent, it comes from fear of losing control. But trust is scalable. Control isn't. You don't need to watch every move to lead effectively. Real leadership is knowing when to step in and when to step back.